going to practice counting, so you will need your number line that's in your math materials. You'll also need some type of counter, your erasers, your Lincoln cubes, anything that you can count with, we're going to need today. Now, if I want to count something quickly, for example, if I have a group of objects like I do right here, if I want to count something quickly, am I going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's not very fast, is it? So what I can do to count quickly is to count by twos, like we've been doing when we have our base 10 mats. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is that quicker than going 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes. When we count by twos, or we count by fives, or we count by tens, it's quicker to use that counting when you have groups of objects. So Miss Miranda has grouped her bears together, and I'm going to practice counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And here are my numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If I have two objects and I put 1, that makes 3. 2 and 2 make 4. Good. 4 and 4 make 8. And then 2 more make 10. So there's lots of ways to get to 10, boys and girls. And that's what I want you to practice with your mom and dad at home. Taking your groups of objects and figuring out different ways to get to 10. If I have 1 and 9, that makes 10. If I have 2 and 8, that makes 10. 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, that's right. 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, and 10 and 0 make 10. I want you to practice how you can get to 10 putting your objects together. Then on your independent practice today, lesson 125, you're going to connect the dots. You're not going by ones, boys and girls. No, we are moving past that. You're going to go by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And see what you illustrate on your paper. Then on the back, you're filling in the clock with the numbers and telling what time it is. Today's activity on the front is where you're going to write your sentence to tell me about what you made when you counted by twos. Let's do it again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if you continue that pattern, you can get all the way to 20, which I want you to do. So listen, Miss Miranda will do it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So look what I did, boys and girls. All I did was add a 10 in front of the ones I already had. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then I added a 10 to make 12. I added a 10 to make 14. I added a 10 to make 16, 18, and 20. That gets me but to count by twos from 2 all the way to 20. I want you to practice that, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time.